Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Give Me Red. Today is Tuesday, May 19th, 20th, 19th, 19th, and I'm about to make the kids some waffles. So I picked these up yesterday from Walmart. It's Berry-tastic pancake mix, but I'm gonna make waffles. So I got a waffle maker. You just gotta add oil to it. Turn it down. You just gotta add oil to it to make it waffles. So I like my hair. I did a little wash and go. This is my second day. It's not really defined because my hair don't like to curl like that, but I think it's cute. So I'm about to open this door. Let some air in here too since I'm downstairs. There's some air in here, some light. So yeah, we about to, well, I have to wait. My house is getting inspected. The landlord with the town, they got to do yearly rental inspections or whatever. So they're gonna come and inspect my house today, and then I'm gonna go out to go get some stuff because I'm gonna make chicken Alfredo tonight for dinner. So yeah. Boys already started. You gotta, Raiden, get that in there and need soap on it.
This is dirty.
Yeah, so I'm making dinner. I'm making chicken Alfredo with broccoli. And I got my pills. These pills are supposed to help you lose weight. I don't know, you sleep. So try these out. I'll take some pictures, and a week from now, we're gonna see if there is a difference. Because the reviews I've been seeing, it's supposed to be a difference. It's called Accelerate, and you take it at night. It helps you sleep, and it's supposed to burn fat or something. I don't know. So we'll see. So yeah, I got the chicken going. And the chicken, I'm about to cut up the broccoli. So when the chicken is done, I'm just gonna put it in there. When the chicken's done, I'm gonna put the broccoli in. these as plates. It came with bowls and little sauces also for $5 as a four piece. So they come in two more other colors, and they're cute. And it has the little compartments or whatever. That's cute. From Walmart, $5 for a 4-piece. Come with 4 plates, 4 cups, 4 sets of spoon and fork. It's all color coded. You got 2 more colors and 4 bowls and 4 saucers for $5. You can't beat that. Yeah, so your girl is tired. I really like my hair like this. Your girl is real tired. Yeah, oh, I dyed my hair. I don't know if I told y'all. I dyed it. It's a darker red now until I find my L'Oreal high color. Let's see when my beauty supply store open back up. But I like it, sure. It's good for now. So, about to eat this good old food right here and relax. I need to do I gotta do the boys' hair tonight. At least Raiden's hair tonight, because he has to go to the dentist tomorrow. He's been having, it's good. He's been having pain in his tooth. So I'm gonna take him to the dentist. This is good. So I'm gonna wash his hair and blow dry it and put it in 4 braids, 4 cornrows, and keep it moving. And then that's pretty much gonna be the vlog after that. So yeah, I'll be back. I'm tired. I'll be back. Alright, so we about to do Raiden's hair right now. We're gonna blow dry it and braid it. Okay? You ready?
Yes.
What's wrong with you? Alright, come on.
Are you done? Okay. Yeah.
I'm done for today. I'm done. I cleaned the house. I cleaned my car. I had the inspection. Cooked dinner. Now I'm about to take my pictures. And I'll give you guys weekly updates. And see if these work. So these are what they look like. You gotta take one of each. One purple, one white. It's supposed to help you lose weight. There's a lot of testimonials about it. It's called Be Epic Accelerate. Company is called Be Epic, but this is called the weight loss one is called Accelerate. They also have ones that give you energy during the day. I think that one is called Elevate. So show you how I've been doing my hair. So I did a wash and go. So I just washed my hair, conditioner or whatever, shampoo, conditioner, shampoo, and then I use this, but I've been using, I like this stuff, coconut whipped cream conditioner. So I've been putting this to rejuvenate your curls. So at night, what I've been doing is I put like 2 bobby pins right there to hold it back. So today is day 2 of this, and all I do in the morning is literally just take my water bottle, which I don't know where it is. I just take my water bottle and wet it. I put some of this on here. I haven't even used the curly cream again, but I think I'm gonna use it tonight and see how it look. Out of the water bottle, I wet it, put some of the leave-in conditioner on it, and then I, you know, slick this down, do my little edges or whatever, and keep it moving. So I'm just gonna take some of this curly cream and just put it on my curls. But this, I normally just put it up, but I'm just gonna try this to see how the curls look in the morning or whatever. These, and then I got this Softy mango butter grease. I use this on a Boy Scout or whatever, and on their hair. I don't really put grease in my hair. I usually use oil. A scrunchie. I like these little band scrunchies. And I just double it. See my little curls in the back? Y'all see that? See, my hair is the shortest right here, and this is all my natural curl right here. Like, all of the perm is cut off of this. I can't take myself to just cut the rest off. But see that? Look at that. And I use a dimming brush to brush through when I first did the wash and go, I used the dimming brush. Or whatever. So I'm just gonna put it all up in a high ponytail, and I could wear it like this if I wanted to too. And I just do a loose bun, and I could wear it like this too. Maybe I'll wear it like this tomorrow. I'm about to take these earrings off. When my earrings and my bra come off, you know I'm done. I'm done. Okay, I'm done. I miss going to work, but that is what it is. Yeah, girl, you miss going to work? I do. I miss going to work, but I wouldn't be here with my kids. So this is like a good time for me to be with my kids and catch up on some stuff at home. So yeah, then I'll just take my scarf. And that way them edges stay laid. That way I don't gotta do too much in the morning, but just liven them up a little bit. And I just and that's it. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate everybody who's supporting my channel. I appreciate everybody who watches my channel. Comment. If you're new to the channel, please like, comment, and subscribe. I would really appreciate that. I'm trying to get, you know, to the next level. You know what I'm saying? So I've been getting encouraging words from subscribers, other fellow YouTubers. And we all in this together, you know. I don't mind supporting if we supporting each other, you know. It's a community. So yeah. So I just want to thank all my YouTube sisters out there for the continuing support, all my subscribers out there for the continued support. I said continuing, I don't know if that's a word, but yeah, I'm just rambling at this point. But yeah, I just really appreciate y'all guys. And like, I don't really have a lot of friends, and like, so like when I talk to y'all, you know, through YouTube, through Facebook, through Instagram, like, y'all my friends. Like, y'all not my friends, y'all my family. Y'all my sister girls. Okay? Yes, that's what I'm talking about. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.